Hi, welcome to this week's Office of eLearning video blog. This week we wanted to talk about ways that you can make video even more engaging for your students. Video in itself isn't really interactive, but if you're able to put questions, tasks, web links, things for your kids to do in addition to actually just watching the video, we think it's going to help them reach even deeper levels of understanding. This addresses ISTE Teacher Standards 1, which is facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity. 2, design and develop digital age learning experiences. And 3, model digital age work and learning. It also, if you were to have students create with this definitely addresses Standard 1, creativity and innovation. 2, communication and collaboration. And definitely Standard 6, technology operations and concepts. So the 4 tools that I'm going to briefly go over today, and there are more than these 4. These are the 4 that we're most familiar with. We have PlayPosit, Zaption, Edpuzzle, and TED-Ed, and they all basically work the same way. You find a video that you like on YouTube or from some other video source. It could even be a video that you have saved on your computer, and you copy the URL. So you copy the address that's up in the address bar. From there, basically, I'll just walk you through it here. We will create a new video. You place the URL in there. So in this case, I copied one that I particularly liked. From there, some of the tools allow you to crop off the end or at the beginning, but they all allow you to put video or questions in the video. So this is one that I've actually already started. Let me go back one step here, go to my content. And in this particular one, I've already put a few questions. You can see the questions they're indicated here. You basically play the video, get to the point where you want to stop it and insert the question. So this is a particular video that's about the plot or the elements of a story. This one's talking about setting, and I put a multiple choice question in that'll pop up when it gets to this point of the video. The students would need to answer that, and then they'd get immediate feedback whether it's correct or incorrect. So let's just say I'm going to scroll ahead to where they're talking about characters. And a lot of kids have misunderstandings or misconceptions that characters have to be human. This part of this video actually talks about that they don't, but in order to review that, I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to insert a question right here. And this question I'm going to put in is going to be a right or wrong. You could also do multiple choice. I'll say true or false. Characters must be human. And then you'll put your choices in here, true, down here, false. And then all you have to do is indicate which one is correct. In this case, the correct answer is false. And if you wanted to add additional answers, you could do it there. But as you can see, it's that simple. So then when they actually watch this video and you get it to them, it'll stop, it'll ask them that question. Some of these do allow you to create classes and student accounts. Benefit to that is that you can actually track student progress. So you can see if they're answering correctly, incorrectly, things like that. But in general, they all offer multiple choice, multiple select, open-ended, and then also discussion. The biggest difference with TED-Ed is that it actually puts the questions at the end of the video. But if you want it to actually be in the video as it occurs, Zaption, Edpuzzle, and PlayPosit all do that. So if there's if you have an interest in using this for yourself to bring video content to your students and would like some help with it, definitely let Kirsten or I know. If you'd like to let students actually experiment with this, we'd like to support with that as well, because there's some YouTube filtering issues that we would need to help you out with. So that's it for this week. If you need anything, you just let us know. Thanks.